Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you ingredient detection, or we can say dry fruit detection and recognition using Python. Okay, so let's start. Let's open the folder. Okay, so this is the custom training model and these are the charts. Okay, so this is the loss accuracy graph. Okay, so let's see the data set. Custom weight, custom data. Okay, so like we already label all the images. Okay, you can see the almond. We have done all those label to all those images, so you can see like 841 images and label. Okay, label files. Okay, so these all are the images which we use as data set. Okay, so you can give any input as a image. Okay, so we are using 2420 images, okay, in the data set, and we particularly label each and every images. Yes, so these are the label and these are the images. Okay, so let's run the project. Just run the detection file. Okay, write here cmd, enter, python space detection.py. Okay, now we already gave an input image, so it will likely detect and recognize that image and give them output. Okay, so we can also change the path or name. Like we gave the input of image of amla, so it show that amla and with accuracy 0.87. Okay, we can also change the image. Like I'm changing another image. Okay, so these are the classes we use. Okay, and we are importing the weight file. So we just change the image name and the format. Okay, the image will be placed in the custom data folder. The custom data. Okay, like bay leaf. Just copy the name and paste here. Okay, bay leaf 23. Okay, so again run the code. Okay, so it recognized that image bay leaf and give the accuracy 0.69. Okay, so let's give another image name. Okay, we gave the bitter guard. Okay, and the format will be jpg. Okay, so let's give that image bitterguard.jpg. Okay, so again run the code. Okay, so it give the output bitterguard and 0.65 accuracy. Okay, let's give another image. Black beans 3. Okay, give that particular image name here, black beans. Okay, .jpg. Again run the file. Yeah, so give the particular name with accuracy. Okay. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.